In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to master EaseUS PDF Editor from start to finish. Whether you are working on a quick one-page document or managing large files, let's jump straight into the dashboard and get your documents sorted. When you launch EaseUS PDF Editor, you are greeted with a clean, streamlined home dashboard. If you want to view the software's full toolkit at a glance, click on the Tools tab on the right menu bar. This opens up a complete grid overview organized by category, where you can quickly launch PDF conversions, edit, and optimize functions with a single click. To load your document, you can pick any file directly from your recent documents listed on the home screen. Optionally, you can click the plus icon on the top tab bar to browse your PC, or you can head up to the top left menu and click Open. From here, just browse your files and open up the exact document you are ready to edit. Once your file is loaded, navigate over to the Read tab on the top menu. EaseUS gives you multiple view options right on the toolbar. You can adjust the zoom level, switch between single page or two-page side-by-side reading modes, and even toggle focus mode or dark background rendering to make reading long reports or ebooks easy on your eyes. Quick tip: if you don't have EaseUS PDF Editor installed on your PC yet, head down to the description or pinned comment right below this video and click our free download link to grab the official installer and follow along. Now, whether you are running a Windows PC or Mac OS, you can grab the exact installer built for your machine here. And here's the best part about starting with the free version. It isn't just a view-only demo that locks you out of every useful tool. Right out of the box, EaseUS actually lets you test drive the full editing suite. You can modify text, manipulate images, annotate, and test out conversions. It's ideal for quick, everyday document fixes, carrying just a few standard trial limits. Now that you have got the software ready on your machine, let's head right into the second step, which is editing your content. Click on the Edit tab on the top menu bar. Just like working in Microsoft Word, you can click anywhere on the page to change existing text, fix typos, adjust font styles, or add new text blocks. If you need to update graphics, simply select Add Image. On adding the image, you can now edit objects to move or resize. If you are working with a scanned PDF or a flat image file, simply click the ORC tool on the top toolbar. Now simply import the file. From here, just browse your files and open up the exact document you are ready to edit. EaseUS scans the document and converts image-based text into fully editable, searchable text in seconds. To manage your document's layout, head over to the Page tab. From here, you can extract specific pages, rotate orientation, crop borders, or use split and merge to combine multiple PDF files into one clean document. Now, while the free version gives you complete access to test all of these tools, remember that saving or exporting large files over 3 pages requires the Pro version. If you deal with PDFs regularly and want to unlock unlimited page exports, full batch processing, and 0 watermarks. Don't pay full price. Check the description or pinned comment right now and click our 50% off discount link to grab your lifetime license at half price. The third step is converting, securing, and exporting your final files. Head over to the Convert tab on the top toolbar. EaseUS makes it super simple to turn your PDF into editable Microsoft Office files, including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, or high-value image formats like JPEG and PNG with a single click. If you need to turn other documents into PDFs or shrink a massive file size for email attachments, you can use the compress or images to PDF options right here. When dealing with confidential contracts, financial reports, or personal files, security is critical. Head over to the Protect tab and click Set Password. EaseUS gives you 2 levels of encryption in this pop-up menu. Check the Open Password box to set a password required to view or open the file. The Permission Password section restricts specific actions. You can customize permissions to allow high-resolution printing or set changes allowed to none to block editing while unchecking text copying. You can even select your encryption strength, ranging from RC4 to military-grade AES. When done, click Save to lock it down. If you need to share a file publicly, but must hide sensitive personal details like phone numbers or signatures, use the Mac Sci-Fi Text tool for redaction. Redaction is a permanent 2-step process. You simply have to use your mouse to drag a box over any sensitive content you want hidden. When done, click the Apply Redaction button in the top menu to permanently burn black redaction bars over that text. EaseUS will give you a clear pop-up confirmation warning that, once applied, this data is completely unrecoverable, which will keep your private information 100% secure. Finally, you can click Digital Signatures or Handwritten Signature to sign off on contracts before finishing it. EaseUS PDF Editor features a full digital signature engine that binds a cryptographical secure ID directly to your file. When you click and place your cursor on the signature line, the signature list will pop up. You can select an existing digital certificate or click New ID to generate a brand new digital identity, complete with your name, organization, and email address. EaseUS will ask where you want to store your digital certificate. Select the new PKCS option if you want a standalone password-protected signature file. Now select Windows Certificate Store if you want to save the key directly inside your PC's operating system. Now you simply need to enter your identity information to be used for the signature. You will want to take note of the file location here so you can keep a backup copy handy. Go ahead and set a secure password. Make sure to remember this password as you will need it every time you apply this digital ID to sign or decrypt a document. Once everything looks good, simply click Sign. And EaseUS stamps your verified digital authorization directly into the PDF. It will show your unique digital ID code, distinguished name, and an automatic tamper-proof timestamp indicating the exact date and time the document was signed. That is everything you need to know to master EaseUS PDF Editor. Remember, if you want to remove all page export limits and unlock full batch processing, grab the 50% off discount link down in the description or pinned comment before upgrading.